We're here at Fat Cow. I'm Chef Patrick Ko, and this is another episode of Medyo Cooking Show. Today, I gave my staff 300 pesos. Ambot unsa lang ipalit. Muna ni? Okay. Okay, let's open it. Ha? Mani. Te, pineapple tidbits. Marinade. Kanya kung gusto. Sriracha. No. This is shoulder blade. Sorry. Shoulder blade na tani. So we're gonna slice our beef into tidbits. Oil, onions, garlic. I'm so lost. Then yeah, beef. Honey mustard marinade. Pwede siya, pwede. Clara uli. Ga-expect ko something na ano. Murag mayonnaise. Fairness. Guys, may kong spring onion, pang garnish. Thank you. Salt. Pepper. Peanuts. Del Monte pineapples. Baka naman. Ito may doing. More siya beef na stir-fried na satay, I think. Not so bad. So we have our stir-fried beef with peanuts.
Manghang-manghang. Nasa kayo peanut. Walang tomato. Sauce.
Sriracha good na. Wala guna yung tomato. Sriracha man good na. Narong ka.